The song not fine, so hold on.
Based on this situation, Ekpe has been something that is known in Cross River State as a whole. And Calabar, which is our state capital, has been an area of Ekpe cultural inheritance, and it still exists in the various villages that are in Cross River State. So in this case, we still maintain this cultural heritage so that any person that is existing in that environment, even you are coming in, even you are a foreigner or that particular indigene, you have to maintain this thing that culture still remains and it can never be scrapped out. But I know development is something that is trying to transform what has been to the new Neolithic era, but even then it still exists. So in this case, I wish you people, even as we've come to witness this our culture in this our environment, to maintain it and keep it up so that yes, our culture will still exist. Thank you.